Why is SketchUp the best CAD solution to start designing? Let's take a look at SketchUp in 10 steps. The software was created as a fast and simple alternative to the time-consuming suite of 3D modeling applications. It can be used for various drawing applications, including architectural and interior design, landscape architecture, and more. It is intended to operate as an extension of your hand. You will scale the sketches, as well as floor plans, elevations, and even S.r.l's viewpoints. It enables you to add the exact map coordinates and build the location quickly. It will take you a very short time to create curved, rounded, and organic shapes. It is also capable of generating skin for tensile structures. SketchUp allows you to create powerful 2D graphics by tracing images. Camera Tool is an excellent tool for post-production and making photorealistic renders. SketchUp makes it simple to integrate with other tools that provide extra functionality. BackStudio is ready for you to specialize in SketchUp. Schedule a free demo class and meet with our professionals.